Proxies.
Proxies.
Tell me about Proxies.
So Proxy is a tool that we're going to use throughout this entire class. It's understanding and getting the proxy working is critical to all of the attacks that we're going to do, pretty much.
Okay, the whole idea, first, this just sounds like a weird word to me.
Yeah.
And second, it's not something I hear every day when you talk about, before this class, you were telling me that there's a browser. Let me see if I get this right.
Yep.
And there's the server,
right?
And so the browser is just like, I'm going to onemonth.com, I'm going to Huffington Post, whatever.
Sure.
And from what I understand, how
the
does
browser,
it work?
The browser then
tell
sends
me.
the request from your computer across the internet to the server, Huffington Post. Huffington Post then responds over the internet, and your browser then shows the web page.
All right, that was way better. That makes sense. Got it.
Yeah, internet, web request, response.
This is the typical way the internet works every day.
Standard internet, like this is a web request, right? Web internet stuff.
Awesome.
So then what we're going to do in this class is we're going to use a tool called a proxy that's going to sit right in the middle, and it's going to capture that request as it goes out. So it's going to come out, the proxy catches it, then the proxy is going to forward it on to the web server.
So you have control of that proxy.
This proxy runs on our local computer.
Gotcha.
And then we're going to forward it on, and then the response, it'll catch the response too, then forward it onto the browser.
Awesome.
And so by having this ability to intercept and modify these requests and response, it lets us basically hack into the web server.
Dig it. That's actually a really clear explanation. I
Cool.
get it. So, so I'm guessing from the sound of it is we're going to set up a proxy now or set up some kind of software to do this?
Yep.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Sweet. Thanks.
Sure.
I'm on it.